All right, taking a look at silver, we got to pull back to test support around the 20 moving average on Monday, and so far it has held. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for silver. So you could see the high from last week, I believe it was 33.39, almost completed a 78.6% retracement of this bearish correction here. And you could see a sell-off quickly ensued on that day, but there's been really little follow-through. If we look at the purple 20 moving average, it was successfully tested here as support, here as support, and now today potentially we could still see a break below today's low, but until then, the expectation would be for support to be maintained around the 20 moving average trend indicator, currently at 32.03. A decisive break below there then encounters a weekly low here at 31.92. Now, just flipping to the weekly chart really quick. The weekly chart you could see is a series of higher weekly lows and higher weekly highs until last week, where we didn't have a higher weekly high, but we did have a higher weekly low. So that means this pattern will change if there's a break below 31.92, last week's low. So that would be the maximum anticipated pullback before the uptrend starts to reconfigure itself, and we have to kind of relook at it a little bit. It is interesting to note that the previous 2 weeks, you could see there's long tails on each of those weeks. So that's generally bearish, but so far it hasn't had any impact yet, but it will if there's a drop below 31.92. Okay, that is it for silver traders. Have a great week.